Itong ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang pinakasikat at dinarayong pinakamalinis na patubig or irigasyon sa Bansalan, Davao del Sur. Dinarayaw ang patubig na ito dahil sa sobrang linis ng tubig na umaagos dito at napapaligiran pa ito ng puno ng kahoy kaya sobrang nature talaga ang dating. At ang kagandahan pa dito ay walang entrance fee at libre lang kahit maghapon ka pang magtampisaw dito. At sa mga gustong pumunta dito, ay kailangan nyo lang maglakad dito sa napakagandang kakahuyan ng 3 minuto mula sa parking area. At ang patubig na ito ay located lamang sa Sitio Alo, Barangay Drapuay, Bansalan, Davao del Sur.
Let 'em say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your mind in mine, and baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Then we can make it if we're hard to heart. Everybody, and we can build this trip together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. If this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Whoa, whoa. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good side. See it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're all too hard. Say it. And we can build this trip together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this